Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. In this tutorial, we explore the page layout feature and what it means on the Applaud platform. The layout of every page you create on the Applaud platform can be customized to suit your organization's needs. The style you choose alters the way your content blocks are displayed. You have the choice between stacked, 2 columns, and 3 columns. We cover each of these types in greater detail in dedicated knowledge videos. Mobile devices default to the stacked layout automatically, vertically layering your content for the best use of space. Congratulations, you successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.